Hello guys, for today's video guys, we'll be opening triple bit, okay, from Korea. So we will check first if the weight is correct. So 299.6, okay. So 300. So we'll be opening this 300. Actually guys, they weigh the same, but one thing I have some concern because this one is not wrap. There's no plastic wrap. It should be with the plastic wrap. I don't know why this two box has no plastic wrap. Hopefully this is original cards guys. We will we will cut the cards to check if it's original. Okay, so let's dig it up. And if it's a fake card guys, I will post it. I'll post the seller guys in our description below. Hopefully it's original guys, because the box looks original. There's a KC mark there, but I don't know why there's no plastic wrap for this. Sorry for that. Okay, so this is consisting of 30 packs. Okay, let's check the packs. Okay, so far so good actually. They're original guys. You can see here so there's the triangular cut. Sorry. Let's open one pack. Maybe this is a resealed box, so we're not sure. Okay, so far the feel is okay. Wow, first pack magic. Let's go. Okay, so this is illustration rare. Okay, before we put something, put the sleeves, I will get some common card. Okay, so this is a common card. Sorry. Okay, so we will cut this first to check. Okay, so luckily guys, the stock is correct. So this is a original card from Korea. So it's not a fake. Okay, let's continue guys. So we are chasing guys for a Magikarp. So that's the thing. That's why I bought this thing. Actually, it's a 2023 set. Triple Beat is a 2023 set. Okay, so let's put some top loader. Very nice illustration rare. We got some good hits. So the good thing in this set guys is the illustration rares. And we are chasing on the Magikarp illustration rare. Okay. Let's go. Very clean. Later we will check all of our hits. Let's go on a second pack guys. So this box is costing around 130 ringgit. That is not cheap guys. Oh, let's go. I have this guy in Japanese version. You can check my previous videos as well. Oh, let's go. I love the illustration. I love the artwork for this card. It's really neat. Really neat. Let's go, man. Please keep it coming. So immediately we will put them in the top loader so that it will not be damaged. Yeah. Let's go. Second illustration rare. Wow, this box is loaded guys. So usually guys, in one box you can get 4 to 6 illustration rares. So it depends on your luck. In one SR. And let's go. Okay, so this is only a RR guys. So this is only a EX card. You see the Morpeko EX card guys. It's very good. So on this set guys, actually okay, so I've been telling a lot, if you want a very nice EX card, you should select Paradise Dragona, okay, because they're colorful. But when I saw this one, guys, it's really nice as well. So, I mean, triple bit illustration, triple bit EX card is also nice. Really nice. Okay. Luckily, the sleeve that I bought is very tight. Hopefully, we will not damage the card. Okay. We'll take that, guys. Later we will fix. Okay, let's keep it coming. So if you're new in in my channel, guys, we're opening a lot of Korean products, and in one pack of we have 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 Korean Pokemon cards in one pack. So it's 30 packs in one box, and guaranteed one SR. So that's why I suggest, guys, if you want a good hit, you should buy one box. Don't buy per pack. So some of the people is selling, per packs. That's because they already removed the rare cards inside of that box. That's why. So I would suggest, guys, if you are collecting Pokemon cards, okay, collect it and put it in a top loader. Let's go! Very nice EX card. You see that? You see that, guys? It's shiny. So we have 2 type of EX card. The shiny one and that with the good texture. Like the Morpeko one. So very nice. And the EX card is thick as well. So the normal Korean cards, guys, is thin. But for the EX, illustration rares, and SRs, SIRs, were really thick, like the Japanese version. So we can conclude, guys, that Japanese and Korean version quality and card quality is just the same. It's just the same, guys. Very few difference only. So what are you waiting for? If you are a Pokemon collector, please consider opening Korean packs. That's our goal here. That's why we're opening Korean packs to encourage every other collectors like me, to start collecting Korean Pokemon cards. Because in Japanese and English version right now, it's very overpriced. If you want to buy overpriced product from those scalpers, then it's up to you. But for me, man, I'm preferring the cheapest way of collecting Pokemon cards. Okay, so the artwork is just the same. You can see my previous video, guys. I have a video, guys, comparison English, Japanese, and Korean. So you should check that out. Okay, you should check that out, and you should you should consider also buying. Oh my god, no hit yet. I hope we can get our chase card for today, which is the Magikarp SIR. Hopefully, guys, please be good to me. Sorry for my throat. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Wow. EX card. So what is your favorite card, guys, in this set? Triple bits. What are you chasing, guys, in this triple bit, guys? One, two, three, four. So actually, I haven't watched the Pokemon XYZ. So probably I will watch it. So I will be knowledgeable on the names of these Pokemons. So majority of these Pokemons, guys, in this set is coming from the XYZ. So if you are a Pokemon fan like me, which is not yet watched the you know the new Pokemon era, then it's time for us to watch, guys. So actually, I'm starting again, and then probably I'll start to watch again the Sun and Moon and other stuff in Netflix. So all of those Pokemon movies and series are in Netflix, guys. So you can watch them all. And actually, I'm playing again. Let's go! Very nice illustration rare, guys. Let's go! My God. I can say that this is one of the most beautiful illustration rare that I got from this set. So later we will compare. We will compare each illustration rares. Triple bit, guys. Very, very nice. Sorry. Let's go. Let's go. I love triple bit. So if you're new to our channel, guys, hopefully you can hit the subscribe button. It really helps a lot, you know. It really means a lot. SR, let's go. The centering is really, really good, guys. You see here the centering. It's really good. I don't know the name of this trainer. If you know, guys, please comment in the comment section. Actually, the thing I like in the Korean version, guys, if it says the texture is really, really super well defined. You can see that, guys. And the thickness of the card is really thick. Very, very nice SR. But I'm not a big fan of trainer card. But we have a lot. We have a lot, actually. Later I remove the, because this top loader has some plastic here cover so that it will, yeah. See? That's why it's a bit blurry earlier. This one protect the glass. Okay. Now you can clearly see our hit. Let's go. Very nice SR. So what do you think, guys? What do you think on the SR? Is it a nice hit? Comment your thoughts on our comment section. Actually, I'm planning to do a setup, okay, for pack openings. So probably we'll do that next time. Okay, no hits. Oh my God, it's near to end. Okay, we only got 3 illustration rare, 2 EX, and 1 SR. Hopefully we can get something big, guys. Please. Oh, I saw some shiny there. Oh, it's just a little bird. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's keep it coming. Let's keep it coming. Oh. Nothing, guys. Oh my God. Naughty, naughty boy. Op, 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 op. Oh! I thought it's a big hit. It's an EX card, guys. Sorry. Wow, very nice EX card. Imagine. EX card on this set is really insane. You can see the quality of that. Last Last 5 cards, guys. 5 packs. Magikarp! No, nothing. Give us the Magikarp, guys. Please. Please. I'll be super happy if we will get that in this set. I'll be super happy, guys. I'll be super happy. Nothing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry. So actually we bought 2. So I am thinking if we will open another one. Because we are really chasing that Magikarp. Oh my god. Oh my god. No hits, man. Let's open 2 at the same time, guys. Let's open 2 at the same time. Let's open 2 at the same time. Let's see. Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay, I see something. Oh, EX. Next. Oh, nothing. There's no good hits, and we're missing one more illustration rare. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not super loaded. This box is not super loaded, guys. And I haven't, guys, I've been opening a lot of Korean packs lately. You can check my channel, guys. But I never opened God pack, guys. That's one of my dream, actually. One of my dream is to open a God pack. Okay, so we will do some crazy things. Okay, we'll open 4 packs at the same time. Okay, are you ready, guys? Are you ready? I'm ready, because if you're ready, we are ready. Let's go. Hindi nabuksan. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Now they're all open. Let's go do some crazy things. So I watch one YouTuber, guys, and he is opening packs like crazy. He is opening packs. Okay, so this is our first hit. Holo card. He's opening packs like crazy. He's opening 10 packs at the same time. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. No shiny things. Oh my god. Oh my god, Gyarados. Okay. My god, only Gyarados and those holo, and then oh my god! Nothing! Holy moly! That last 4 pack is insanely bad. Holy moly. We only got one good card, one good illustration rare. I mean, one of the best illustration rare in the set, but it's really not our chase card, guys. I'm really sad right now. Well, holy shit. So we got this SR. Okay, so as I told you guys, there's a one SR that you can get in this set. And then how many X card we got? Okay, so 19 minutes. Let's check how many SR before. Wait, I'm removing first this one, guys. Give me a moment, so that we can view the cards pretty well, because right now it's very blurry with this, cover. Let's remove the cover first. Okay, 2. Okay, 3. Okay. I'm not happy, guys, with our hits. It's not so cool. It's not so cool. And considering XYZ, guys, Pokemons there is not so popular. But by the way, is this Dedenne or this one is Morpeko? I'm confused. Oh shit, this one is Dedenne, guys. Sorry for my mistake earlier. I thought it's a Morpeko, guys. Because Morpeko and Dedenne is nearly, they're looked together. Okay, so we got some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 EX cards. Okay, 5 EX cards. We'll take that. 1 SR. Okay. And 3 illustration rares, which is quite nice. The illustration rares is pretty nice, especially this one. This is our best hit. This is our best hit for today. I believe you will all agree on that. But I don't know yet the current price for this. We'll check that out. And these are second to the best hit. Yeah. Okay, pretty well. Very nice illustration rare. And of course our third illustration rare. Very nice. I think that's all, guys, for today, and see you guys again on the next video. God bless. Ciao. Please subscribe, everybody. Please subscribe so we can buy more packs, guys, because this one is quite expensive. Hopefully you enjoyed our video, and see you on the next one.